In this video, I am going to show you how to recover a deleted data from iPhone, such as videos, files, and photos. So that is why I am doing this video, to show you one of the best methods you can use to recover your deleted videos or files on iPhone. So without much ado, let's get started. All you need to do is to go straight to any browser of your choice. Then go to imyphone.com. So once your homepage opens, as you can see, then click on sign in to sign up with their platform. Then click here on sign up. You can choose to sign up with your Google Gmail account, or you come up with an email address and password you will use for this account. So, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to sign up with my Gmail account. Then go with me straight to Gmail and click. Now choose your Gmail account. Then you will be logged in automatically to the platform. Then hover your mouse on data management. Click on debug iPhone data recovery. Now you have to proceed to click on free download. But first of all, you have to choose your operating system, as you can see down here. So if you're using Mac, you can choose Mac or Linux or which one. But for the sake of this tutorial, I am using Windows. So I'll just leave it on Windows and click on free download. So once it's finished downloading, launch it to install it to your computer. Click on install and wait for a few seconds for it to finish installing on your PC. So once it finished installing, click on start now. So now you launch it open. This is the home page of the software. We are going to recover videos and photos from iPhone. So to do that, you just have to click on iPhone recovery. So now if you look down here, you can recover from your iCloud, as it says here, recover data from iCloud accounts or iCloud backup, recover data from iCloud backup, or you can recover from iTunes. So like I said earlier, we are going to recover videos from our iPhone. So I will click on recover from device. So now you will have to connect your iPhone to your PC with the USB cable, as you can see. And it has automatically detected your phone, your iPhone. So now on your iPhone, tap on trust and fill in your PIN code. I explained earlier that we are going to recover photos and videos, but there are so many things you can use this platform to recover. For example, you can recover your lost messages or your WhatsApp messages, okay, and so many of them. However, now that I want to recover only photos and videos, I'm going to deselect all, because if you see, they are all selected. So I'm going to deselect them. Then I select photos and videos. Then hit on scan. So once she's finished scanning, it will show you those lost data like your videos and photos. So for you to recover them, you have to purchase one of their plans, because the free trial will only allow you scan iPhone, but you cannot be able to recover your data with the free version. But with the full version, which will cost you probably $50, we allow you to do all those things and recover all your data. So the way some other people do is that they will purchase only 1 month plan, which is the full version, and use that 1 month plan to recover all their data. So, and once they recovered all their data, so like after recovering their data, they might not need the services again, except maybe in the future they need something like this again. So that is it on how to recover a deleted videos and photos and other important data from iPhone. So if this is helpful, please like and share this video. Drop a comment in the comment section for any other alternative. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon, so you'll be notified when I upload more content like this, okay? So thank you for watching and see you guys in the next videos.